Welcome to this video on cross-database joins. You can download the datasets to follow along in your own copy of Tableau. Many organizations have different data in different systems. Maybe there's financial data in a SQL Server database and product data in Amazon Redshift. The data may live in different environments, but we want to do analysis on everything together. For this video, we have two different file-based data sources. We're only using flat files for ease of you following along. In this instance, our data is structured such that our sales data has a product ID, but no other information about the product sold. Our product data in the CSV file is a simple table of product ID, category, subcategory, and the product name. This is a great setup for a cross-database join. If we perform a left join to bring the product data to the sales data on product ID, we'll be adding that product information to each relevant sales transaction. For more information on joins, check out the video on join types. To create this integrated data source with a cross-database join, we'll start with our sales. Click Excel and open the Sales 2016 file. To keep track of what's what, let's double-click and name this table Sales. Next, we'll add a data connection to this data source. We'll click the Add button by the Connections area, not the New Data Source button in the toolbar. We'll click Add and Text File, and open Products 2016. The sheet has already been added to the canvas. Let's rename it just Products. And we'll name the data source more descriptively, Sales and Products 2016. And just like with any join from within the same data source, we can edit it. Click on the icon, and we'll select a left join. We can see that the join clause is based on product ID. In the grid, we can see the product information in yellow has been added to each row from the sales data in blue. Now that we have a new single data source, let's test it out. We see that we have a single data source in the data pane, but our fields are broken out by table, just like with a join from within the same data source. If desired, we can turn that off by right-clicking and say Group by Folder instead of Data Source Table. Let's make a hierarchy for subcategory and category. And we'll add in product name and product ID. We can hide the product ID that came in from the CSV table as it's just there for the join clause. Let's bring category to rows and expand it out a little. We can bring sales to columns and break it out by order date. As you can see, an integrated data source functions just like any other single source data source. It can even be published and saved, unlike blends. Thank you for watching this video on cross-database joins. We invite you to continue with the free training videos to learn more about using Tableau.